There are two projects to be commissioned here today. It's not just the street light. There's the street light and there's the IPP, Independent Power Project. The Independent Power Project is one in town. It is not BEDC, the one popularly called NEPA by our people. No, this is different. This power is right from Osiomo, independent, brought in by our excellent governor as part of the mega agenda to transform those states. As far as this power is concerned, it is uninterrupted. And I will tell you today that your community, Airport Road Oko, is one of the first to be captured and is benefiting from this excellent star project of His Excellency. Most times when there is no BEDC power, this one is going to be on. And if it is not on, just know that maintenance is going on, and in a few minutes it will come back again. So only maintenance cannot interrupt it. So this is the project starting from Ring Road. The IPP has been extended to Oko Junction here. And by the grace of God, it means that Airport Road and Everons is now opened up to socio-economic development. It's opened up to high security surveillance. And as you know, power is the bane of economy as far as the nation is concerned. And of course, secondly, the second project to be commissioned here today is the street light project. The street light project is peculiar in that it is powered by the same uninterrupted Osiomo IPP. Ladies and gentlemen, please believe me as I speak to you that this project running a span of 6.788 kilometers is phase one project, Light Up Edo project, brought in by His Excellency, and by the grace of God, the bulb you are seeing here today are all to the standard of 250 watts, able to illuminate the floor for the environment, for a child to be able to read across the road. This also is an initiative of His Excellency. Every project here is owned by the community, which means you are the owners, you are the watchdog from vandals, from theft, and from accident. When you see something, say something.
Benefit we get is when the light comes, the darkness will go away. We will see ground to go on, and no insecurity again. Insecurity will vanish, and the darkness will vanish away from the community. Yes, our eyes are not on it now. Any moment, any day, all the whole village eyes are on this very project. Nobody will try and temper it, otherwise they will face the music.
Like I said, the first phase of Light Up Edo, which is about 50 kilometers of street light around the city. We want to make sure that by the end of this year, December 31st, we've completed all of the 50 kilometers plus some additional lengths. Once we finish that, we'll now start the second phase, which will take us to 200 kilometers of street lights around the city. Our goal is that every street should have the benefits of having street lights in the city. We're coming up with all different schemes to encourage landlords to tap from the main streets. So all the adjoining streets to Airport Road, for instance, under a specific arrangement, can benefit with extension from this stretch. So at this rate we're going, we believe that in another 2 years, we should have over 200 kilometers of street lights around our city. We are also having maintenance agreements with some of the contractors that are involved in the erection of the street lights. What we expect to do, since we have warranties on the lightings, we have, most of the poles were made here. They have the design. And those contractors, some of them will now be hired to help us maintain on an ongoing basis.
Baba Dodo! Baba Dodo! Baba Dodo! Baba Dodo!